If they can do, we can also do, right?
See,
So,
Ah,
those people are earning money because they have spent their own time, like 4 to 5 years, spending before charts, tracking everything.
yeah.
You need to put the time, you need to put that effort. Then only you can see what is happening. At least you can understand what is happening. So just travel with
Mm,
us. Eventually, you will know what is happening, how we are decoding everything.
mm,
Don't ask any question as of now. You just try to observe what we are doing. If you're having any
mm,
doubt
any
in any
technical
concept
question
we are
we have.
applying, then you can ask.
mm, mm.
Similarly, you parallelly complete, try to complete whatever Arjo's concepts are there. Because go with Arjo
Mm,
as of now. You don't want to complicate anything. Just stick with
mm,
Arjo, go with it. Parallelly, stick on with us. We'll be going in a way. Then you will be
mm,
getting clarity. Okay?
mm,
Okay, Ji.
mm.
We're diving into that thing. Lastly, we completed with the New Zealand, right?
Yeah, news we
Mm.
completed. We need to go for gold and silver right now.
Okay. Ji, can you present the screen because
Yeah,
my
I can.
screen is getting stuck.
Just confirm me when my screen is visible.
Mm,
Is my screen visible to you?
mm.
Yeah, it's visible.
Cool. So the market is it's a single direction for the entire gold actually, just moving like a lift actually. So nothing is set from the monthly time frame, right, G?
It is all-time high, Ji. It is waste of seeing in monthly time frame. Go to weekly.
On weekly, what we can see is okay. What happened is price didn't respect this FEG, and it looked like it is respecting this FE weekly FEG. First of all,
Mm,
let me mark all the weekly things.
Hmm.
This is our approach, Atul. First, we will mark all the key levels. Then
mm,
we will decide what the price is doing with respect to these key levels.
mm. You are trading only gold?
No, Atul,
No,
we'll be
no, we
analyzing
are
all
taking
the majors, Atul.
the
Okay.
majors
See,
actually.
Atul,
Then
just
10
observe
things
what
we'll
we are
do.
doing, Atul.
Already,
Okay.
yeah, no. Already we finished the four. Now we're going to gold
Ah,
actually.
I told
ah,
you, right? In the afternoon, we completed part one.
ah.
I will share you that link. If you
Mm,
are, and before going sleep, you just see that how you analyze those four pairs.
yeah.
Okay, so apart from this, what I can say, this is not an order block for me, and this is thing here. Maybe this can be considered as an order block. Okay, Ji,
Hmm. That is a nice order block.
Mm,
because it collected the liquidity here. Yesterday I
Hmm.
said no, Atul. Two conditions for order
mm.
block. What is the condition actually?
CSD, CSD.
No, man. For order block marking,
Ah, that
how?
order block only body you using.
Yeah, correct. But what are the two conditions? One should be liquidity, and next should be engulfed. Here the liquidity is collected by this wick actually. From here,
Ah,
I'll consider this
ah,
and also engulfed here. So I'll take this as order block.
ah, ah,
Cool. Now coming back here, what we can see is okay. Ji, price is looking like price is respecting this FEG.
Hmm.
mm,
G,
Yes, Ji.
yeah, price respecting this FEG since it's close above that, but the current trend shows bigger somewhat downwish movement only.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah. Go to daily, Ji.
mm,
when we go to daily, what we can see is lastly we approach there. So this is the daily FEA, right?
Hmm.
mm.
From this daily FEA, price is respecting.
Ji, mark the daily FE, CB, daily CB above. It is the first person period, yeah. It
So
is
this is the
kind of
daily
trapped order
FEA.
flow.
It's a kind of trapped action, but actually what happened is price touched here and respected this and went up. But eventually it also came down at the end, right?
Hmm.
Mm.
there is mild bullish momentum from down.
Yeah,
But
but it's not confirmed. But we need to wait actually.
gold
Maybe
being
next.
sidelines will proper confirmation.
Okay, I'm just analyzing whether we can for any other entries actually. Yes, it looked like if it looked like mildly bullish, but there are resistance here. And also, if you want to continue lower, till previous week low, there is no resistance. But after
Till
that,
that weekly OB itself, we don't
this.
have any resistance. Weekly bullish OB is there, right?
Yeah, correct.
Hmm.
Yeah.
That FEG we can mark it later. Ji. First, let it come to the weekly OB.
Yeah,
Otherwise, it
yeah.
will
You
be
are, you
more
are right.
messy.
Okay, let it be that easy actually because suddenly it will fall and suddenly it rise. Okay. This is a visible thing which is wrong. Okay, let's just go to 4 hour. In 4 hour, we have a sharp turn, but what the pity is the sharp turn this is not respected, right?
But
Mm.
still, price is
So
not
now in a
respecting
trap
that
pattern
CB
flow.
as well.
Yeah. Actually, what happened is this sharp turn, okay, happened after correcting this daily FEA, right? So this price must have touched this and go up. But when touching it, it formed the CB,
Mark that
right?
4 OBG.
So my view,
After tapping into daily FEA, mark that 4 OB. Bullish OB. Yes.
we can mark till here, I
No, no, no,
guess,
no. The last
right?
candle is sufficient. Yeah. Yeah. It's a solid candle. Price has respected it. Okay. So, yeah, this is a nice
But
respect candle.
yeah, my approach is actually since here we are in consolidation, we have a lot of CB, BC, CB like that.
Mm.
So I will say it's a trap order flow. But when you consider the last leg here, what
Mm.
happened is even though the CB is formed here, when it
Mm.
touches the OB, it respected and it violated the CB, right?
Mm. It
I
closes.
don't see any rejection from here. It's a
Yeah.
complete solid blood closing, and I don't expect a 2 CR. So I will wait for the next 4 hour candle to form. If it
Or
also not respecting this 2 CR, then I will go for a buy entry and look for
we
some
can
buy
target that
opportunities.
intermediate high
Yes.
because
So as of now,
that immediate 4 OB bearish OB it is respected, right?
So
yes.
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah, Atul.
That high two color it is showing red and green.
This one, right?
Yeah, is it different?
Yeah, actual thing is, down upward fractals will be shown by green,
Okay,
and
okay.
downward will be
Is
shown by red.
there intermediate high? It will show in the.
That is violet. Intermediate will be violet,
Okay.
right? So here this is comparative. This is high, right? So the green.
Mm,
Comparing these three candles, this is low, right? So this is red. If you
uh,
see the violet means to the left of that violet there will be green, to right of this there will be green. So it is intermediate.
yeah, okay.
And this bottom violet means here on
Mm,
red, here on red, right? So
mm-hmm,
here will come. Clear? Yeah. Yeah, G, you are saying something, G, actually, yeah.
Yeah. In between, near that intermediate term high, we have that bearish OB, right? Yeah. It was already tapped.
But already tapped actually.
So yeah. So if we are getting a bullish sign from here itself, then we can
It
aim
has
that
tapped.
high TH. Yeah.
Yes. You don't
That
need
is
to
our
mark
drawn
this as
liquidity.
tapped.
So
It's
just
already
think in
tapped.
this way, G. Because from here it can go up because it has taken support from daily FE and for our OB, bullish OB.
Mm.
But if it needs to go down further, from where it can go?
Yeah. It don't have any. Maybe it need to form it actually.
It needs to, I mean, as of now, there is more possibility for it to go up, right? From the
Correct.
available
You're right.
period.
Yes. It's already in the journey actually, but the problem is where we can make the entry. That's the question.
Yeah,
Because we already missed this.
entry we can plan later, but with this available period,
No,
it is evident that it
no.
can go higher, right?
Yeah. Actually, it's already showing the bullish change because it is violated the CB, so it's going up, and also respected this, so it's going up. But the question is, so when we see a bullish FEG formed here, we
Hmm.
can look for some buy entries. That's what I'm saying.
Or else, if this CB candle is there, right? Nearest CB candle.
Yeah, CB candle.
This one. The yeah, if a candle closes above it, it will be a 4 or OB, right?
if a candle closes above the CB,
Hmm.
right? This is
Hmm.
what I'm saying.
Hmm.
Yeah, that can be. That's all. We need to wait for a bullish PDRA to form in 4 hours. Then we can take it. That's all.
Yeah, either this candle can be treated as a 4-hour OB or new FEG should be formed, right?
Yeah.
So even before an FEG is forming, we will be getting that 4-hour CSD. I mean 4-hour OB, bullish OB.
Yeah, that's also right. That's also good. But what I expect is actually I will wait for from FEG to form because though it disrespected this actually doesn't mean we should go for a buy right now. We shouldn't go for a
Hmm.
sell. But some more aggressive only we can plan actually. But let's see actually.
Okay, we'll plan tomorrow.
Uh, Wait for bullish PD array in 4 hour for
In
long
bracket,
entry. Okay.
yeah, in bracket, make it as a 4-hour bullish OB or FEG or AC, BC.
Yeah, this is what we just use. FEG or that's default G. Any PW means only OB or
No,
bullish
no,
only.
FE.
FEG.
Sometimes what will happen means tomorrow, out of a rush, we'll be waiting for FEG alone. By the time the FEG forms, it would have reached that ITX directly.
No, G. Actually, every 4 hour candle we need to do the analysis,
Mm-hmm.
right? Whenever we mark the potential thing, here there's no upward movement, right? I'll mark this as a green. So whenever we mark the red and green, we need to do it analyze for every 4 hour. How the last 4 hour candle closed.
Okay,
There is nothing but one time in London, one time in New York. That's all.
fine, fine.
Because media Asia will definitely miss. We will not see that, right?
Mm.
So in London, so like
Also,
morning
G,
10
just
a.m.
go to weekly time frame once. Okay. Okay, just currently
But it
taking
all
some.
depends. It all depends. Tomorrow, if it opens here and just go down means that's all. Everything will
Mm-hmm.
change and we need to react because here you can see here open is equal to high,
Strong bearish peak.
but but the same thing happened here also actually.
Mm.
But it's total consolidation
No, G, if it is
because
now currently it
whenever
is in all-time high, right? So there will be more
yeah,
possibility for
because whenever it
consolidation.
took the high here, the next day itself next week itself took the low. So
Mm.
we didn't able to predict it. But when you just see here, last corresponding weeks, every day it's breaking each high.
Mm-hmm.
That is it. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
we'll wait. We'll wait.
After 4 hours, I will look for this. That's all.
Okay, we'll wait.
So now I will look for the silver,
Move to
gold.
silver, G.
Okay, G, right?
Yeah, gold is fine.
Yeah. So Mandan, you also joined, right?
Yeah, yeah, bye.
Same background noise, huh?
Say, coming?
No, no, no
Background
noise
noise
is there.
clear now.
The voice is clear actually.
Yeah, so many people are talking here. I don't know why. That's good.
Okay, fine.
Okay, let's move to
Okay,
silver.
if you have doubts or any suggestion, you can unmute and talk. Okay. Don't you
Okay, fine,
type it because when you're typing, it will take long time and you miss the thing. There
fine,
is no
fine.
noise over here actually from your side. So when you have doubt, you just unmute and ask. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Coming back to silver. So silver,
Very nasty price
uh,
action.
price action
Monthly.
that was good, but month fine actually. We can go down to the weekly. Oh, this is also not that much good actually. I can say this is order block, but it's already tapped multiple times, so I will not. This is a low quality order block, so I will not consider. So I will just, as usual, only mark the previous day and previous week low. That will be okay
Just taken
actually.
out previous week low on that swing low, right? See if it is that swing low is had been taken out.
Yeah, it took actually. It took.
So just
It
move that.
took.
It has taken.
Yeah,
Okay.
it took.
Okay. But it didn't get that required up move after taking out that
Yeah.
one. Okay, we need to wait. Weekly also,
There is
no, not a
no,
clear
no
direction.
decision from this. No decision from this condition except now.
No, I think it is waste of marking previous week low or high because in week
Uh,
we are not having any
no,
clear
no,
direction, right?
sometimes it will be useful actually. Because what happens is sometimes what happens, what is sensitive as actually, maybe it's not for previous week high. I will look for previous day high. Price corrected the liquidity came into a key level. So I avoided taking the trade into that. It eventually broke it.
Okay.
So the previous week, previous day high are good key levels to be marked actually.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely.
Okay.
Because for the entire week, only this marking is enough, right?
Okay. We'll move to
Until
daily.
next week.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Very no key level B.
Nothing. Nothing looks interesting here.
Nothing. No, not necessary. You don't want to go to 4 hour itself. We'll move to next tab.
Yeah, just okay. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, and one more thing, G, actually, I just saw it here. Whenever you just want to take the
Hmm.
trade should be within the liquidity. Today I just learned that.
Within the liquidity or
The
within the
trade should
context?
be always within the context. That's what is within liquidity.
Yeah.
What is trying to say here? Up liquidity, down liquidity, right?
Hmm.
So
This is our
in this
context area.
FAG, this is the context area actually. But what we should not do is once it touches here, we should not
Hmm.
look for a reversal.
Yeah.
That's some mistake we'll do.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when you mark with this from this context area, this FEG, we can look for this.
Yes, I was seeing the same video just now.
From here, we can look for this.
But actually, even though, because here you can see that liquidity low has been taken, even before price reaching back to that
Okay.
CB.
Then this should be avoided. Yeah, this should
Yeah,
be
that
avoided.
still I would say it is a low probability one.
Yeah, but this is a good one actually.
Yeah, that will be a good one. But actually, it is, that was the confirmation FEG. From there only
Yeah.
we can see the downward move has been started, right?
Yeah.
That was the short
So
term.
what usually Arjo does is Arjo once this is formed, he wait for this also. That's good actually. But he go to lower time frame and see confirmation here, make some entry in this region itself.
Exactly.
And you also a lot of things like this, like a lot of examples I marked here. The
Hmm.
trade should be within these things.
Hmm.
Here you can see this is within this, right? So because okay, I will say Jackson, I don't see weekly and monthly for 4 hour entries.
Hmm.
So what I will say is very simple. You just start with the daily. Your daily is not that much good actually. So let's do our preparatory steps actually. So suddenly out of nowhere the setup will come actually.
Gee, just go to 4 hour once. I need to see it.
Wait. Let me mark this. Then I will go to 4 hour. Okay. Now I'm going to the 4 hour.
Yeah, here
What
you
we can
see
see is
that the recent 4 hour CB has been tapped, but it hasn't been respected properly. Recent
even
4 hour
tapped,
CB.
but price. Yeah, this is tapped actually. But what happened is price didn't continue
Ideally,
lower
next candle
again.
should be
Came
going
back.
lower and that PDL,
Yes,
previous day low should be our DOL, right?
exactly. That should be happened, but that doesn't happen. But actually, this is a good entry. I will not say this is also a good entry to take
Hmm.
here. Though the short trend happened after correcting the liquidity, that's good actually. But this rejection doubts me, so I will not be taking this trade.
Yeah.
Right? Can you see the rejection actually?
Yes. It's a
It looked like it's supported by this
solid
OB.
rejection. Yes.
So as of now, it's a short-term situation. Maybe I can wait for one more CB here
Gee, just draw the fib for this leg, G, recent leg.
for sell side or buy side.
Buy side.
Buy, we should not go for buy as of now, G, actually. That's my view, but I will draw it actually.
It got rejected from.
It's rejected from the OTA only.
Hmm.
But the question is actually what happened is when the price coming down with the FEG formation, will you take a buy entry here?
No, we won't be taking.
All right. This can be turtle soup actually. Probably just give me a minute.
Maybe what we can say is that it's a high probability order block, I would say, because it has swept the swing low.
Yeah, though this is an order block, but the price is coming like collecting the liquidity and making a FEG kind of thing, and not respecting this FEG and coming to second FEG and second order block. That will be a little bit suspicious, right?
No, actually, it has affected the second FPG, not the first FPG.
Okay. No. At this moment, you will not be saying
We will
respecting,
not be
right?
taking, anyhow, we will not be taking this
Yeah.
FPG.
But
But
what I'm
what I'm
saying
saying,
is, means
but,
our
but,
entry is here, right?
no. You are saying that we need to take the entry in 15-minute rate. I will not suggest to take 15-minute entry as of now here. What I'm trying to say
Mm-hmm.
here is, here we can see some bullish pressure from downwards.
Yeah, I agree with that. But what I'm saying
Had if,
is,
since had if it has corrected the liquidity from upwards, it should not have given this bullish pressure from downwards, right?
Correct.
That previous week
You're
low
observing
will
right
be over a
actually.
DOL and it should have came down
Yeah,
easily.
this is nothing but sidelines.
Yes.
So if you are supposed to be bullish thing, I need another bullish FEG here
Mm-hmm.
to compensate that.
Mm.
Actually, if we need to go for a bullish, I need a two bullish order flows actually.
Mm.
See, that is what usually called high probability. Analysts also used to call. For
Mm.
example, this one here, first thing, it called a liquidity like a sharp turn. Maybe second here, if price touched this here, we might have gone for a short from here.
Mm.
But when the price touched it, it already formed a bullish FEG right here.
Yes. It has already cut the
So that should be
liquidity below.
avoided. That should be avoided. So that is what separates from the highest probability and A plus plus and A setup.
Okay, Ji. We'll move to sidelines for silver.
So we will
We'll
move to
wait.
silence actually. Don't need to risk anything. We'll wait for some bullish setup to happen. Then we can
Okay.
decide. Atul, can you able to get some things actually from our analysis?
Yeah, something. Yes.
Yeah, right. If you have any doubt, actually, you can ask us. Actually, okay?
Okay.
Because I will not ask you question again and again.
Uh,
Because while doing back testing, you will understand a lot of things. A lot of things can clear in back testing.
uh,
Because even doing back testing, I will say the answer immediately, right? You can able to see the result. But
uh,
here it will take a lot of time to do. So if you have doubt, you can ask.
uh,
Otherwise, you'll just move
Also,
on.
Atul, if you are not
mm,
understanding at the first time I'm recording the
mm,
session, you can view that video once or twice
uh,
at that
uh,
particular point. You can rewind and
mm,
see. It
mm,
may not be understandable at the first attempt, but if you are repeating for the second, 2 times or 3 times, it will be understood.
mm.
But we're
Okay.
nothing. We are just doing the arguments actually, both the
Okay.
Mm.
bullish and bearish. That's all.
Monthly, it has taken support from the inside FEG.
Yeah, it collected this actually,
Yeah.
and it also respected this
Yes.
FEG monthly FEG
It is the OD, overlapping difference.
overlapping difference. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
It is
This
mildly
Sundar,
bullish.
I think, just a minute. Just give me a minute. Ji. I just want to know. Did it give the entry?
Go to
Because we are
daily.
not active last week.
Yeah, go to daily.
But, yeah.
It should have given.
See here. No, we
No,
might have
actually, you would
got.
have taken multiple SLits. Yeah, first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, you got the breakout.
So it's always better to.
But
Okay.
after
We are
forming
not
that
getting
FEG, you could have taken easily. Bullish
this
FEG is
this
there,
one.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is our entry point, and the context area is that
So there is
nearest
nothing
daily
but short
HCB.
term. Nothing but short term entry.
Yes.
Okay.
And we can target that monthly FEA till monthly FEA.
My doubt is actually even if it taken here, would it be?
Still, it would have been a.
Oh, it didn't. Excuse once again.
Hmm.
Just give 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, no doubt in it. Let me go to here. So G,
Yes, Ji.
yeah. So it looked like price is coming into the FEA monthly FEA. It looked like it's respecting this after tackling this,
No,
and
see,
also it
closely
corrected
it
the
has taken
previous
out that
support.
previous month low, and it is showing
Yeah,
nice
yeah.
rejection from there.
Yeah, yeah. Lot of bullish arguments here. Previous month low,
Also,
bullish
there is a
FEG.
bullish OB there. Monthly FEG with monthly FEA inside a monthly FEA. Yeah,
I
exactly.
don't refer that as OBA. I won't take it as. But okay, gee, this is I will not take this as OB, but this is okay. These things are okay. Let's go to weekly. So it look like a bullish thing actually. Weekly
Mm-hmm.
also we can able to see a bullish FEG has been formed here.
Softness has formed.
Yes, it's a good sharp turn actually. It's not ugly one.
Mm.
Weekly FEG. For last time.
Also, we have
No,
a weekly OB.
yeah, one second. Let me mark the weekly
We
high.
can take out the monthly FEAG. Not needed.
No, G, let it be there actually. It will remind us actually prices coming from the monthly FEG.
Okay. No, I'm asking about the monthly FEA. FEA is not
Ah,
visible
FEG
there.
we can take it actually. That's fine.
It was a
So
nice rejection from
price
monthly FEG.
collected this loan coming up, this
Pakka
good
OBG,
one
that
here.
one weekly OB. Pakka OB.
But we are facing some resistance here. The resistance was broken. So
It was
currently price
already
here.
poked. It was already
Next
poked.
due is
Yeah, previous week. Right?
no, this is 2 CR. This can be 2 CR, but we can easily target till here. No resistance. But
Hmm.
after this price can reject. Who
No,
knows?
no, no,
Because
no,
2
no.
CR.
What? No, 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 no. You are seeing in one side of the coin. Other side of the coin is it can first go down, collect that weekly FEG. Below weekly FEG is there,
Yeah,
right?
that is it. No, my objective is very simple. Wherever it gives me entry, I can target up to this. That's what I'm trying to do.
Ah, okay. No, G,
Okay.
wherever it may give, it can give wherever the entry. But what I'm saying is A plus entry will be the one when it taps the weekly FEG or weekly OB below.
That also good. But let's see actually. Because sometimes it can be a breakaway gap actually.
Ah, yeah, that is also a possibility.
That's what I'm saying. But okay, let's see. Okay, this is a clear. But I also need to mark this
Ah,
weekly
super.
2 CR,
Okay, nice.
right? Then I go to daily time frame here. The daily is not that much good. Price already touched the 60 here. Daily
Hmm.
FEG already touched.
That's already tapped, but it hasn't formed a new FEG from there.
Yeah, yeah. But
So there is,
I also don't see any entry for the daily time frame here. A lot of consolidation only.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So I guess the first probable move will be the weekly FEG move.
Yeah, you are right. Probably it will move downwards only. But
Go
we will
to
not
go to
taking any
weekly
trade on the
once, see.
down
Go
direction.
to weekly once.
One second, G. Let me mark this and just. Arun didn't pick to the call, G. Actually, I tried him 2 times.
Yeah, no, no issues, no issues. Let him come. Go to weekly once and mark the weekly OBG, bullish OBG.
This one.
Yes, that is an A plus OB. It has taken support from monthly FEG. Above. Yeah. Now go to daily. Okay. Uh,
Let's see. Let's see.
G, can you
We see
mark
the
that
sharp.
daily FEA, which is overlapping with FEG? Just the body of the candle.
This one.
Yeah. Or before that one. Before that one. The
This
first.
one now.
Yeah, that body itself. Yeah. Mark that body.
No need, G. Actually, this one actually. What I'm saying is, it's already 2 CR. Weekly FEG. This is the daily 2 CR, right?
Not a daily 2 CR. It is said to be formed. Right?
Daily 2 CR here. This touched
No, it
here,
is a
right?
it is a proper CR only, G, not a two CR.
No, 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 G. Price already tap. This liquid is going to here.
Yeah.
So before this FEG fails, it could create another FEG, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
And
yes.
the failure of this FEG can be confirmed only when the price closes below this.
Hmm.
So this is a 2 CR. So this is a strong region.
No, G, how did you say that it's 2 CR? Because it has collected the previous low, right?
Yeah, G collected the FEG here, G, right?
Yes.
then this should have been some low for some other daily FEGs, right? Order flow
Yeah,
leg.
but
Didn't
it
form
cannot be
actually,
termed as
right?
2CR, right?
No, no,
So it is yet to
if,
form, right? You are saying it is yet to
yeah,
form 2CR.
no. If next time price comes, price can target up to the here,
Ah,
and
yes,
from
yes,
here
yes, yes.
price can return.
Yes. No, actually,
If
if price is coming for 2CR again means it will not return just like that. It will be a deeper
no,
move.
no, Jay. Actually, see here, this is a weekly FEG also overlapping with the daily 2CR. So when the price comes here, there's a possibility that price can reject up.
Hmm.
So only suppose when the daily candle closes below this solidly means, then I can say the CB is violated. Then we should not look for any buy entries.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
What I'm trying to say is the CB is still valid here until this is broken. So currently in
Mm.
consolidation, no trades in daily time frame. That's what I'm
Mm.
saying.
Okay.
I'm going to 4 hour. So the 4 hour thing, 4 hour also consolidation only, see a
Mm.
lot of ups and downs. So I'm not going to make any entries. Okay, let's see. Let it touches the weekly FEG and shows some short term in 4 hour. Then I can look for some entry and I'll target till here, right?
Or if the weekly FEG is our short-term DOL, can we target till that for short entry?
No, for 4 hour.
Mm. Say, had if tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if I guess by tomorrow itself, if 4 hour CB is forming, why can't we take a short entry and we can aim for for weekly FEG?
Okay, let's see. If it these are we need to watch it closely actually.
Yeah, anyhow, we'll be
Then we
placing
can say.
alerts. If a new 4 hour FEG
Mm.
forms means we'll be getting alerted. Or if it has been
Yeah.
poked
If
new.
or FEG, if new FEG has been poked, then only we can get the alerts. Then we can say it.
Okay, anyhow, once in 4 hours we'll be watching the price rate. We'll see.
Yeah. So nothing else. I think no need to plan for any entries as of now because it's a trap order flow. You see, we
Yes.
don't have anything.
No
Actually,
proper
it
live
been like
formation.
lot of lot of things here.
Whipsaws.
Consolidation only here.
Yeah.
Unit
Yes, G,
price
go to
hard to
next start.
capture
Go
it.
to JPY. I guess better we can avoid tomorrow. Unless we are getting in euro,
Yeah,
we can avoid
yeah.
tomorrow's trade.
Euro is something better. Yeah, we can spend some time in the back testing actually. So monthly, we see a monthly short term, right? And the
Hmm.
price, but the price already did collect the liquidity or what?
Mhm.
No, it didn't collect the
If it has
liquidity.
collected that liquidity, then it would have been an intermittent term loan.
Yes, you are right.
Mm.
So somewhat bullish actually. Okay. So go to weekly. Nothing in weekly.
G, draw the fib for this one, for the short one.
Shorting, yeah.
Yes.
From where are you asking me to do it? Actually, from
Nearest
here.
swing high to nearest swing low. Not that entire one. I'm asking, yeah, from there to here. Okay. Nice rejection from date level. And we have that FEG as well,
FEG.
yeah. And below, we don't have any opposing resistance. Clean DOL
Yeah,
below.
yeah, right.
Clean leg with a clean DOL.
You're right.
Everything is tapped.
Our our initial target will be here. So
That is
this we
easy target, G. That will
can.
be easily tapped. Only very hardly 30 pips, right? 20 pips.
Yeah, actually, this is CRT completion.
Mm. That is fine.
This is OB, but already tapped actually, but maybe we can consider 2CR. What
This
happened
triple
is,
CRG. And order flow is clearly
Sarji?
bearish.
Yeah, the order plus clear base, we need to look for only bear entry. But what I'm saying is, this completed the buy entry is completed.
Okay. No, that is not a buy entry. That is mild retracement, G. After tapping
Yeah,
into
but
that liquidity, it has
no.
retraced
This
mildly.
this retracement has given the target. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, but we cannot know how long it will retrace, right? We cannot
Up to we can guess
foresee.
right. It can go up to the side.
No, in
CRT. I'm talking
hindsight,
about
we
the
can
weekly
say,
CRT. No, weekly CRT. I'm just talking because when this forming actually, it is at some point of time it touched
Yes,
here,
yes, yes.
right?
You are right. You are right. You are right. That we
Yeah.
can. Yeah,
Yes.
that was a nice sciatic angle. Yes, you are right.
But now it already touched here and showed rejection, so we can aim for this low.
Yeah. So the previous weekly candle is your sciatic angle.
Right.
And
So,
you can, yeah.
but no, weekly CRT is not applicable here actually.
No, no, no. The previous weekly
Already,
candle, not the current weekly candle. Previous weekly candle,
once again. This one now.
not that one. The current weekly candle you have.
Here.
That candle. Yes.
Okay.
It has closed
Maybe
within that range, right? It has closed within that range. Candles range.
okay. I will do one thing. I will mark this as
Yes. Weekly CRL. Yeah, weekly CRL. And above thing, weekly CRL. See, it has closed within that weekly range, right? Strong rejection from that weekly FPG, and it has closed within this range.
Did I have a 4 hour short term? Cool. And price is
Clear
not
order
respecting
closing.
this.
Yeah.
Yeah, price not respecting the FEA.
Clear
We
order.
can
Even
short.
in 4 hour, we don't have any opposing period, Ajit.
Yes. That's what I'm saying. Just give me a minute. What is this? Previous. Let me go to previous day.
Cool.
Short print is already formed actually.
But we have FPG below.
Yeah, we have the FEG here. This may act as a resistance. I will remove this previous week low.
Hmm.
Did anyone joined actually?
No, Atul rejoined.
Oh,
Atul, were you not available for this long time?
Yeah, my internet went off.
Okay, fine.
so USD JP looks good actually for shorting.
Yes.
This should be
Actually,
this much explicit G actually. See, we didn't argue much actually on USD JPY.
yes. It is
I also
easily.
agreed, you also agreed, right?
Yes.
So this
But we
this
can
kind
plan
of
for
setup only
shorts.
we need to.
Yeah, we can plan for shorts till that daily FPG. Once the daily FPG has been invalidated, we can
Actually,
aim for low.
yeah, what I'm saying is that let it form another day FPG.
Okay.
Then we can go to lower time frames and we can look for short until this.
Ideally, that above CB will be a breakaway gap, G.
Yeah, most probably it should be a breakaway gap.
Hmm.
The price should not go again. What I expect is I need next candle to close here, next candle to close here. After this, there is no resistance here for us, right?
Yes.
Already
Clean
tapped,
DY.
already tapped. This
Clean
also
DY.
okay. This also I not this is OB already tapped. So let it be come here. Let me form some 4 feet something. We can look for some entries.
Go to 4 hours. Actually, in 4 hour, we have no opposing period. At least in daily, we have this FPG, but in 4 hour, everything is tapped. See, except that OB, that FPG is tapped, that OB.
This
Yes.
I will not consider this as OBG actually.
Hmm.
So
Then
for
in that
me,
case,
this 2CR, this 4 over 2CR is the last thing.
hmm.
But this also it will be as target only for me.
Yes. Oh, just the 20 pips, 20 pips, 200 pips,
200 pips, Ji.
Just measure the thing. Oh, no. More than 100 pips, G.
300 pips actually. If up to here.
No, G, till the 4 over 2
Okay.
CR.
4 over 2CR.
120 pips, cool.
120 pips actually. We can aim to
Daily
here
FPG?
5 pips.
Go to daily FPG, till daily FPG.
80 pips.
Cool. Nice one, G. Actually, keep this in red. Nice one.
Because see here, okay, perfect order flow.
Do we have anything
Okay.
in weekly?
Weekly nothing. Weekly is it's like no resistance actually from here to happen.
Cool. Weekly is clear, G.
Here.
Clean draw, G. Weekly.
Mainly only we have some resistance here.
Hmm.
It's one of a good setup actually. So what I expect is I expect this price to close below this strongly. Maybe I can wait till Wednesday.
But G, even if it
Monday,
closes below that, can it be it can also be a 2CR, right? after tapping daily FEG.
No. That's why what I'm saying 2 times, 2 days. Monday, Tuesday.
You're planning for Wednesday.
Wednesday we can look for some perfect entry. What I'm guessing is I want Monday to close like this and Tuesday like this. So this will FEG will be formed here.
Okay,
So touching the FEG, I can able to go for shorting.
cool.
Let's see how it goes. But it's a good entry for shorting. And
Nice.
for 4 hour, yes, the FEA has been not respected.
G,
Maybe price of
forever
touching
draw
this
Fibu for this one. Recent swing guys below.
recent one or
I mean that mid one.
from here to here, right?
Yes, from there to here. Low. Short.
That's what I'm saying. G. It will just definitely come go and touch this FEA again. This is 4 hour FEA. The weekly CRH is nothing but 4 hour FEA, right?
Forever FEA. It is already tapped. G.
Already tapped. It already broken. G actually.
Uh,
But sometime we'll tap it, then it will fall actually.
no, it was already tapped, right? On 16th itself, it has tapped already. So this it
Yeah.
lost its efficacy.
That's correct actually. But sometimes what happens is it will revolve around the FEA before it forms some confirmation here.
No, we can see strong rejection from there. Ideally, it should go down further.
We already got some
Mm,
entries here
yes.
actually. Here maybe we might have stopped
So
actually.
if you are applying that Arvind's concept here, it will be like selling under discount, right? The beneath CB is there, right?
Yeah, that's why I say this is open, right? We can go till here, right?
But it is highly unlikely, I'm saying, because if it needs to
No,
go there, what is the probable PDRA from which it can take support to go till that
no.
CB?
What I'm saying is it people might push this actually to here. There is no need to what I'm trying to say is
Okay. End of the discussion. Ji.
this is
Let it
open.
come. Let it come. We'll see. We don't
Yeah,
want to predict anything. Let it
yeah,
unfold. We'll see.
what I'm saying is if it comes here, we'll take entry. That's all.
Okay. But if while coming there, if it is forming a busy, then it will be a new
Then we
entire
will
new
win
top.
sidelines. That's all. We will win sidelines. That's all.
Okay.
But because currently I don't see any resistance, so the price touches here because hardly it's how many pips actually.
Gee, mark that 4 hour OB. It was already tapped, I guess. Anyhow, the
Which
doji
for
candle
Robia?
in between doji candle.
This up.
No. Before that.
Huh?
Before that. Yes.
But
It
this
has
is
captured the liquidity
already
from the FPG above, and it has also created a new FPG from there. Yeah. So
this
that entire doji
negative
candle is
Robia,
our that entire doji candle is our 4 hour OB. So currently price is
right?
rejecting from that OB. Do you agree?
Just a minute. G. 4 hour minus OB, right?
Minus OB, yeah.
What
It
I'm
has
saying.
created the liquidity from that minor FPG.
One time, 2 time touch. Okay, I think it's lost its validity. G, probably maybe
No, it
it's
has lost its
rejecting.
viability. Yeah, currently it is rejecting from that OB.
I would not say it's rejected from this OB. It's rejected from nowhere actually.
No, G. If you are just 50% level, I guess. Okay, fine.
Fine, let's see. Let's be there. We ugly market. Let's look for some trade opportunity when it unfolds. We can decide because what happens is tomorrow after London Asian everything will be collapsed. Can be
Hmm.
collapsed. If
Hmm.
some two solid can go upspin, we are not going to take care here.
But if
And
those
solidly two
two
can
solid
form
candles
means
go up means it will be a manipulation one because there is no
yeah,
liquidity straight from below.
manifestation. We will sidelines to either to retrace back, then we can go for a downwards.
Okay.
But no bullish entry.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm sure. Okay, I just moving to next candle here. Start in the low. Nothing there immediately.
Clean bearish order flow. 1 minute, G. Go to monthly. So currently rejecting from that FEA, monthly FEA. Yes. Consider the body G. Yes.
Yes.
Go to weekly. Okay. Or the weekly FE as well. Ji.
Once again, this weekly FEG is failed. 2CR is failed.
Weekly
I will,
FE.
I will, I will mark. I will change it to here, G, actually.
Ah, okay. Yes.
Okay.
Change it to weekly FE.
Mm, and change it to weekly FE.
Cool.
Okay. What I can see is price rejecting, but it's rejecting. It's not showing. Maybe it can be a CRT here.
Hmm. No. This is not an A plus CRT, I would say. For A
It's
plus
not a
CRT,
plus.
it should close within that CRT range itself. The middle candle should close beneath that range itself. Just closed
Yeah.
above. Okay.
But
We'll wait.
okay, see, actually, it's nearly same to use to JPY.
Hmm.
But the thing is, it's
No. Yours
somewhat
JPY, it
bullish.
was rejecting. Ah,
Same
okay.
only, Judge.
No, the
Nearly
JPY, it
same.
was not rejecting from weekly FE, right?
But it rejected from this FEG actually.
No. There is a weekly
But
FE.
here,
It's there. It's there. Weekly FE is there. March low. March swing low.
this
Yeah.
one, right?
Yes.
Fine. But we have the FEG clearly here, overlapping one, so we'll definitely go for this. We need to
Hmm.
mark this. This is not going to act any better actually. But the thing is here, it is rejecting from okay. This FEG is here actually. That means
Yeah. This is more
uh,
bearish.
this is more bearish actually.
CHF is more bearish.
Yes. So we can also look for bearish entry from here. Let's
Go
see.
to daily.
Just a minute. Give a minute actually. But open is equal to high. But okay, no issue. Okay, short trend is not yet formed there,
Okay.
but it's rejecting. Okay, it's not a OB. I
Mhm.
will say
Daily is not clear actually.
not clear for any short entry on daily time frame. Mm, Let's see. Let's see how it unfolds actually. Then we can decide because
Go to 4
once
hour.
if this break and 4 hour, but nope, no order flow leg. See here, this leg is very clear. First entry, second entry, third entry not given, fourth entry given. This is the order flow. This is a sign of order we look for. Just see here, G. First leg,
Yeah,
second
I
leg, no
understand.
entry, but
But how
at
can
this
you confirm that from there we can go higher?
sorry, G.
See, you're seeing that recent bullish order flow, like, right?
Yeah.
What confirms you to go for long there?
Actually, what I'm saying is for entry in 15 minutes, you don't need to respect the weekly and monthly time frames. Okay, first that should be clear. For 15-minute entry, I don't need the bias of the monthly and weekly.
Yo,
And
okay, okay, Jay. In that
when I
case,
see the order flow,
then in that
when I see
case, we can take entries in any random 4 FPGs, right? If it is affecting or not.
no. That's what I'm trying to say here. See here, this when I confirm the order flow here, this is a 4 FEG, right?
Hmm.
This is price respected this and found the next FEG here
Okay,
without breaking. This is the one which formed. This is the one which respected this, and this low formed the next FEG without breaking this FEG. So
okay.
the order flow respected. Then this FEG is not. I mean, this is not broken, but next FEG is formed here.
But it is a failed
And
2CR,
also,
right? Next FPG. It is ugly
no,
2CR, right?
no. Unless until this is broken, we will not say the order flow is broken. Though the FEG is not. I mean, the FEG is not failed actually here. Our entry may failed here, but the FEG is not failed. The order flow is not failed, and also we don't have any short trend, right? So
Hmm.
when you just see with that look, actually, at this point we might have taken this entry,
Hmm.
right? Because I won't see. I'm just saying whatever I do in the backtest. That's all, G. When I do the
Okay.
backtest, I won't go more than daily time frame, right? So
Okay,
whenever I
okay.
see this is a perfect entry for me to go for a long entry actually here.
Hmm. But there we have a short turn above.
Now we got the short turn. So now we need to be sidelines until where? Till here actually.
Now lows are getting violated and the highs are getting protected, right? See.
Now it's in consolidation. You see, immediately, suddenly everything's coming. So no order flow, so no entry here. No,
No.
trading 4 hour.
Here you can see lows are getting broken.
Yeah, correct, G, but it should be broken without forming of any FEG, right? I agree. The structure is forming good actually. But what happens when the price is moving, it's also forming FEG, right? So it will be in consolidation. So what Arjo used to say is, if there is a short turn happening immediately without any breakup structure within the higher structure, it will be in consolidation.
Okay.
Maybe if you go low time frame, we can look for some entries actually here within this.
Mm-hmm.
But this order flow we won't get actually.
Okay, cool.
This is taking like we used to do in the Bollinger Band, right? The bottom Bollinger Band
Mm-hmm.
will go up. Like this concept we can do here. But that order flow entry is not happened here.
Okay.
How you know that is consolidation?
The consolidation is whenever you see no any one of the period is not respected, right? Here, this first consider here, this CB is not respected, right?
Huh.
The CB, the price supposed to be touch the CB and should go down, right? But what
Yeah.
happened? It is violated. Okay, now in CB is violated and formed a BC. This is bullish
Mm.
FEG. So what
Mm.
happened? Whether this bullish FEG respected? No. This is also
Mm.
violated.
No,
So
no, no. That no. You said about something like that
consolidation.
one. Ah.
But what I said is the better entry will be when the price break on this low or this high, then we can plan for some entries. Because currently
Oh.
the price is trapped between this intermediate term high, intermediate term low.
Mm.
But we should not look for some buy entry here and sell entry here.
See, I told it is not respecting any period. It is not respecting
Mm.
bullish FPG or bearish FPG. It is keep
Mm.
on violating the both.
Ah.
So that's what
BCECB,
is said
then
in consultation.
BCECB, then BCECB. It is indicating price is under
Okay.
consolidation.
Ah.
So what he is trying to
Mm.
say is, unless and until if any high or low has been broken clearly, we cannot go and
Mm.
take any entry.
So my
Ah.
objective is very simple. When this low, suppose let's assume this low is broken, and after broke this, when this is low, what will this happen? This will become FA, right? Atul, answer me. When this
Ah.
low is broken,
Mm.
this low, so when price breaks this low, this will become FA, right?
Mm. Yeah.
Because when the intermediate term low is broken, that will become FA. Now when the
But it
price,
is there is we have a sharp turn.
yeah, it will broke. Now we have sharp turn. I'm saying assuming it. The next tomorrow price forms a sharp turn here and broke this with a running liquidity FEG here,
Mm.
and then tap this FEG and comes back. I will go for entry. And similarly,
Mm.
if the price
Mm.
breaks this high with
Mm.
a solid FEG, okay,
Mm.
and make some entry here, I will go for buy and aim for this. This will become a FEA.
Mm.
So breaking of the ITH and ITL, that to be the ITL ITH should be exterior. It should not
Mm.
come inside. Okay. Then we will take that and we go for entry. But as of now, until the price
Mm.
broke on this, I will not go for any entry. That's all.
Mm.
So no entry in USCHF also. So finally, I go to USD US oil. Monthly,
Yearly, bearish.
same monthly FA rejection. I'm not going to mark this.
Okay, okay, not
Uh,
necessary.
Go to weekly FA. It's rejected from this weekly FA, right?
It's rejecting from weekly
Price
OB as of now.
collected this and rejected from weekly FA. So weekly OB. It's downward movement only we can
So
expect.
previous week low is our first DOL. Mark
Yeah.
previous week low on high B. High is not needed. Low itself is sufficient.
Okay, let's mark actually. It's only one time we're going to mark it, right?
Okay.
For the entire week. So the objective is price will come down because it collected this candle collected the liquidity from here and also formed a FEG here. But what happened? This FEG became a rejection FEG, right?
Yeah, but that rejection is a fake one. It hasn't collected any swing low liquidity.
It didn't collect anyone, but
Yeah,
the price becomes more suspicious. But price rejected here,
yes.
so we can look for some downward entry only. But what happens in daily time frame is, yeah, we also formed CB
Daily sharp
here.
turn.
I will delete this G actually. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Yes,
what I
yes, body.
expect is price to touch this and then can come down.
So this is
There
our
is no
context
resistance
area.
here, right?
Yeah.
The context area is from here to here.
Hmm.
Mandan, Atul, both of you know what is context area, right?
Hmm.
Mandan?
Yeah, I know.
Cool. Because whenever we just use the new term, you need to understand what is that. Okay, what is this? So yeah. So previously closed next target, and once that is done, this is a weekly OB, daily OB. Yeah?
Daily OB is already tapped.
Nope, not
No,
tapped.
you're considering that body, but if you're considering that wicket is already tapped.
Okay, but it's a huge WIG, so I won't consider WIG actually. When the WIG is small, I will consider the WIG generally. But okay, it looked like the price closed. Did it close?
Let's close
It
the
also
book.
not closed.
Not closed.
Not closed.
Okay.
But even though I won't try to take a chance here, because if SL hits means here on SL I will get and here on SL I will get.
Mm-hmm. Okay, no
Maybe
issues.
I can miss the profit entry. What I'm saying. So yeah, so the plan is very simple. Price to touch here, reject down.
Place an alert B for daily FPG. Daily OB is already tapped, so it has lost its efficacy.
This OB is saying right. I can see remove this. Right? Okay, Ji.
Mm-hmm. Gee, just to
So
check
but
if
it,
one hour CSG has been given already.
one second.
Okay, that's given.
Yes. It's given and also it text it off.
Entry triggered.
Okay, let's see. Let me wait for this daily FPG. If it's forming a 4-hour CSD, then I will change my mind. Okay, Ji.
4 hour daily CSG, right?
Yes.
Yeah, opportunity there in 4 hour. Okay. We'll see.
If price touches and goes above means our interview will be changed.
Yes, yes. Hmm.
Okay, but the thing is, suppose it creates a short turn. This is a no-brainer move to capture this entry
Mm-hmm. Fingers crossed.
because
We'll see if it gives an entry or not.
okay, what I suspect is price may respect this tomorrow and go up, then
Mm.
touches this and forms another CB here. Once the CB is found, we can look for some entry somewhere here. Once that is
And a
done,
clear
then
DOL beneath.
yes, these are the BYLs, and this is not also not an OB actually.
Yes, yes, that OB is already taken.
This is not OB first of all. If it's also OB means already two-time touched it.
Yes, yes, yes.
The next time
That's what I
coming
thought.
means it's not that much powerful. So I put
Yes.
in red G. That's all.
Okay. So as
So
of now,
totally
we have
we
4
can
pairs to be
shortlist
focused.
4 pairs, and out of this, most gold is also somewhat sidelines only, not that much great.
Mm.
Euro, US oil, JPY. We can short it.
Yes.
So
So
that's
pure
all
short
for
entries.
today's analysis. Let's see how the tomorrow candle open because lot of our initial analysis will became void due to the formation of CBDR and Asian session by tomorrow morning itself.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. We're just doing the groundwork. We'll
Yeah,
see how
we
the
will see
market
how.
behaves tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, guys. End of the session.
Yeah, Mandan and Atul,
Okay.
if you find anything interesting, you can post in the group. Okay.
Ah.
Okay,
You can.
I do my analysis before the session. Yeah.
Sorry, man.
I do before session my analysis. So yeah.
Yeah. So you will do
Uh,
your own analysis, right?
yeah, half an hour before the session.
Yeah. You do it when you find something interesting. Find
Yeah.
something when something like looks like some possibilities. You can share it
Yeah.
actually. Then we can decide.
Okay.
Right.
Fine.
Okay, Atul. Okay, Mandan. Good night.
Okay.
Okay.
Take care.
Okay,
Good
guys.
night. Good
Bye.
night.
Good night.